Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in English 102, College Reading and Composition 2. We are here in home, which for us serves as a bulletin board to our classroom. On our bulletin board, we post useful information such as the Canvas Help 24/7 helpline and the Canvas Student Guide. You also have access, of course, to the left menu, the Canvas tutorials, and Office 365 with lots of useful apps you can use online, such as Word and PowerPoint. Okay, scrolling down our bulletin board, what do we have? We have the video you are watching and listening to now, all about Week 4, right here. Below it, we have Week 4 in modules, April 29th through May 5th, all of the work we will do this week. Now, modules, which is in the left menu here, just below home, is our class Bible. As you'll recall, it contains all of our class assignments, all of the information we need with the exception of the textbook. So we are a one-tab class, and this is where you will always find our work. However, I have created this handy link for you here. You can click on it and go immediately into Week 4. So if we do that, we would find Discussion 4, Tennessee Williams, A Streetcar Named Desire, 1947, and Mary Wollstonecraft's A Vindication of the Rights of Woman, 1792, which is the topic of Discussion 4. We also have 2 MLA quizzes. So let's click on this link, and it takes us right away into our to-do list for Week 4, April 29th through May 5th, 2019. We have Discussion 4, the block quotes, and the parenthetical citations, which of course are MLA quizzes. I'm going to click on the back arrow, and it takes me back into our link. I've also included the course evaluation at the top of modules. If you click on this, it'll take you into the course evaluation link right away. Please fill it out. It's always super helpful for me when I have feedback back from you. Okay, so fill this out as soon as possible, please. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, back to our bulletin board, and we have some artwork here. What is it? It is a portrait of Mary Wollstonecraft, who lived from 1759 to 1797. There's an interesting story about her here. In her name, I have a link. Mary Wollstonecraft, of course, is the author of A Vindication of the Rights of Woman, 1792. She was a very notable feminist because she was for equality between the sexes. Okay, going down, we have a movie link to A Streetcar Named Desire, 1951. We have a reminder that our class literary theme is pulchritude, or physical beauty. We have a pronunciation of pulchritude here in this video, and below it we have workshopping the essay, which is my pedagogy, my teaching method and philosophy, and my grading system. It explains how we are scaffolding or building our term paper due at the end of the semester now. Okay, I'm going to scroll up and click on syllabus, and then on instructor and course information here. And this contains information about how to reach me, my communications policy. I'm reachable through Canvas inbox during my office hours. So I'm always available during my campus office hours, Mondays and Wednesdays, from 12 to 2 p.m. in General Classroom Building 210D. And you can Skype me during office hours. You should have Skype in Office 365, but if you cannot find it, you can reach me via my Skype name or my Skype phone number. And of course, download this URL, which will make Skype available to you. And I also have a video about how to use Skype. Okay, and finally, I have my telephone number here that I answer during office hours. Okay, I'm going to scroll up and click on Home and end with this interesting image of Mary Wollstonecraft. And I'm going to remind you that I'm in inbox. You're never ever bothering me when you email me. Email me as many times as you need to if an assignment is not clear. And together we'll work on making it clear. Okay, let's have a good week.